Hi everyone, welcome to MyMax Academy. In this video, we'll continue with the chapter determinants, which is chapter 4 from your 12th standard CBSE mathematics. In this section, we will talk about area of a triangle in page number 121 of your textbook. So we know that if in the earlier classes or in the 10th standard we had studied that if we know the three vertices of a triangle, right? ABC is a triangle with vertices A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, C is x3, y3. Then the area of the triangle is given by area of triangle ABC is given by half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the area of the triangle which we had studied in our earlier classes in your 10th and 11th standard, that if three vertices are known, then area of the triangle is given by half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now the same formula which we have for area of the triangle when three vertices are given can be represented in terms of determinant. So in the form of determinant, the same formula can be written as half of determinant of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, 1, 1, 1. Right? So if we expand this determinant, through column 1, C1, through column 1, C1, we'll get x1 into, we'll close this, will y2 into 1 is y2, then minus y3 into 1 is y3, we'll get. Then minus x2 into, we'll close this, you'll get y1 minus y3, but there is a minus x2, so it will become y3 minus y1, and x3 into, if you close this particular column in this particular row, you'll get y1 into 1 is y1 minus y2. So the same formula can be written in terms of determinant in this form, so which is equal to the area of the triangle ABC. So this is what we will use. We will use the determinant to find the area of the triangle. Fine. So all of you can pause the video and take the notes. I will go to example 17, which is used this formula to find the area of the triangle. Now I am at example 17, example 17 in your textbook, page number 122, which is we have to find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. Right? So vertices are given, which means if I draw triangle here, suppose this is A and this is B and this is C. So what is given? The vertices is 3, 8, then minus 4, 2, then 5, minus 1. So we have to find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. So what is the area of the triangle in terms of determinant? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half of determinant of this one, x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Fine. So if you use this, we will get the area of the triangle. So that is equal to half of determinant of x1. This is x1, y1. So 3 x1, y1 is 8, then 1. Then x2, y2, minus 4, 2, then 1. Then 5, 1, 1. So this is this 1, 1, 1. This is x1, y1, 3, 8, x2, y2, x3, y3. So if you substitute this, we get half of. Now we can expand the determinant through any row or any column. Right? So if we expand this, what do we get? We can expand through R1 or C1, doesn't matter. So that will become half into 3. Suppose if I expand along row 1, we can expand along row 1 or column 1. Anything is fine. So we'll expand along row 1 or column 1. Okay, we'll expand along column 1. So 3 into, so this will get closed, this will get closed. 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 into 1 is 1. Then minus this element, that is minus 4. So minus of minus 4 into We'll close this particular row and this particular column. 8 into 1 is 8, minus 1 into 1 is 1. Then plus 5 into, we'll close this particular column, row, and this particular column. 8 ones are 8, minus 2 ones are 2. We close. So that is equal to half of 3 into 1 is 3, minus and minus plus 4, 4 into 7, 28, then 6 5s are 30. Fine. Now, if you add all this, what do we get? 30, 28, 3 is 51, 61 by 2. So your area is 61 by 2 square units. So your area of triangle ABC is this. So we have found the area of the triangle using determinants. Fine. So here I have expanded along column 1. You can expand along row 1 also, doesn't matter. Fine. So all of you can pause the video and take the notes. I will go to example 18. Fine. So what example 18 says is, okay, example 18 is, let me take the question. Example 18. Example 18 is, find the equation of the line joining the points A and B using determinants, and find k if d of k comma 0 is a point such that the triangle ABD is 3 square units. So there are two parts to this question. So there is a point A given. So I'll draw it here. Right. So there's a point A given. There's a point B given. We have to find the equation of the line joining these 2 points using determinants. So A is 1 comma 3 and B is 0 comma 0. Now we have to find the equation of the line joining these 2 points. This is the first part of the question. After that, there is another point D, which is k comma 0, says that area of the triangle ABD is equal to 3 square units. We have to find the value of k. So here we have to find the equation of the line first. So we'll take any point on this line C as x comma y. We'll take any point on the line C as C of x comma y. Now we'll say let solution. I'm writing the solution. Let C of x comma y be any point on the line AB. C is any point on the line AB. So now what we have is, since points A, B and C lie on a line, therefore they are collinear. Therefore A, B and C are collinear. Collinear means they lie on the same line. 2, 3 or more points are said to be collinear if they lie on the same line. So point A, B and C are collinear. When point A, B, C are collinear, fine, then what do we get? I'm writing the continuation here, right? If ABC are collinear, then area of the triangle is 0. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. Area of the triangle ABC, there's no triangle at all, so its area is 0. So when 3 points are collinear, then the area of the triangle is 0. So now what is area of the triangle? Half of mod of the same formula, half of determinant of, sorry, not mod of, determinant of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3. So we can take this as x1, y1, x2, y2, we'll take this as x3, y3. So x1, y1, 1, 3, then 1, then x2, y2, 0, 0, 1, then x3, y3. x3 is x, y3 is y, so 1. And this is equal to 0. Now half will go to this side, so that will also become 0. So we'll get determinant 1, 3, 1, 0, 0, 1, x, y, 1 equal to 0. Now we will try to expand along second row because it has maximum number of zeros. So if I expand along second row, so expanding along row 2, what do we get? So this is 0, this is 0. So anything multiplied with this, that will give you 0. So we have to take the last element 1, and this position is A2, 3. So it will start with minus 1 of 1, right? Or we can put minus 1, anything is fine. We can put minus 1 as well. Fine. So we'll put minus. So this is minus 1 minus then 1 into, we'll close this particular row and this particular column. We'll get 3 into x. That is 3x minus 1 into y is y equal to 0. So if you take this particular element, this one, you'll close this particular row and this particular column. So this particular row, then you get 1, 3, x, y. So, right? So if you close these two, okay, I should do 1 into y, right? We keep this. So if you close this particular row and this particular row and this particular column, you'll get 1 into y is y minus 3 into x is 3x equal to 0. So which means this minus 1 also will go. You'll get y minus 3x equal to 0 or y is equal to 3x. So this is the equation of the line which is the equation of the line AB, which is the equation of the line AB. So we'll say y equal to 3x is the equation of line AB, the line which joins A and B. Fine. So this is the first part. The second part is, suppose if there is a point D. Second part of this question is that suppose there is a point D here such that if we join A, D and B and D point is 0 comma K or K comma 0, I think it's K, sorry, K comma 0. So K comma 0, then the area of this triangle is 3 square units. What is the area of ABD? It's 3 square units. We have to find the value of K. We have to find the value of K. So I will write here. So area of the triangle. So area of triangle ABD is given as 3 square units. And what is area of the triangle ABDC? It is 1 by 2 of determinant of x1. So we'll take this as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So x1, y1. So 1, 3, then this 1. Right? Then x2, y2, 0, 0, x2, y2, then 1. That is the formula. Then third one is x3, y3, 1. This is equal to 3. This is equal to 3. Now, again, now what we'll do is, this 2 will go this side. This 2 will go this side. But again, when we say that area of the triangle is 3 square units, then this determinant value will be equal to plus or minus 3. We can here itself plus or minus 3. Because when you evaluate the determinant, if you get the value as minus 3, suppose, if you're trying to find the area of the triangle ABD, suppose using determinant, if you get the value of minus 3, then we will say the area of the triangle is 3 square units only. We will ignore, we'll take only the absolute value. So if the area of the triangle is given as 3 square units, then the determinant value will be equal to plus or minus 3. It could be either plus 3 or minus 3, because this can be negative also. But we will write the area always in positive. So whenever area is given as 5, suppose if they give 5 square units, then the determinant value will be equal to plus or minus 5. If it is 3 square units, then the determinant value will be equal to plus or minus 3. So this is a very careful point that we need to remember. We have to be careful in this point. Now this 2 will go here, so it will become determinant of 1, 3, 1, 0, 0, 1, k 0, 1. Right? That is equal to 2 will go here, it will become plus or minus 6. It will become plus or minus 6. So now if you expand this using again R2, then we'll get minus 1 into, this is minus 1, because this will, if you close this row and this column, 1 into 0 is 0 minus k into 3 is 3k equal to plus or minus 6. Right? Now minus and minus plus, so you'll get 3k equal to plus or minus 6. You'll get k equal to plus or minus 6 by 2, which is, sorry, by 3, which is plus or minus 2. So what is the value of k? Your k is plus 2 or minus 2. So that is the answer. Your k is plus or minus 2. Fine. So all of you can pause the video and take the notes. I will go to the, I'm erasing everything. I am going to the next exercise, which is exercise 4.3. So what we have is exercise 4.3. in page number 122. So I will draw the triangle here and then I will write the area of the, so I'll write the general formula of the area of the triangle using determinants. So A of x1 comma y1, then B of x2 comma y2, C of x3 comma y3. Then the area of the triangle is area of triangle ABC is given in terms of determinant as 1 by 2 of determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Fine. Now exercise 4.3, first problem. I will do the first subdivision. First problem, first subdivision. We have to find the area of the triangle whose points are given. So A is 1 comma 0, B point is 6 comma 0 and C is 4 comma 3. Now we have to find the area of the triangle ABC. Now what is the area of the triangle ABC? So area of triangle ABC is given by half of determinant of, we can use that formula, x1 y1. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So x1 y1 then 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Fine. Now we will try to evaluate the value of the determinant. So that will be equal to, now if you try to expand using this particular column 3, because it has column 2, I mean it has 2 zeros, so we can take this element. So determinant will be 1 by 2 of, this is in which position? A31, A32. The position of this is A32, there will be a minus 3 into, then I'll close this particular row and this particular column. 1 into 1 is 1, minus 6 into 1 is 6. Close. Fine. So now what do we get? 1 minus 6 is minus 5, minus 5 into minus 3 is 15 by 2 square units. So this is the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. If you take the given 3 vertices as ABC, this is the area of the triangle. Fine. So first problem, second subdivision and the third subdivision you can do it yourself. Same way you have to find the, do it yourself or you take it as homework, whatever. Homework. Do it yourself or homework. You can do the same thing. 3 vertices are given. You need to substitute in this formula and find the area of the triangle. Fine. Then second one. Second problem is show that the points are collinear. We have to show that the points, if I say A of A comma B plus C, then B of B comma C plus A, then C of C comma A plus B are collinear. We will show that the 3 points are collinear. So whenever we want to prove that the 3 points are collinear, we have to show that the area of the triangle is 0. Area of the triangle of ABC. If area of the triangle ABC is 0, then the points ABC are collinear, which means they lie on the same line. So solution, we will say to prove points are collinear, points A comma B comma C are collinear. To prove points ABC are collinear, we need to show area of triangle ABC equal to 0. We have to prove that area of the triangle ABC is 0. Let's find out the area of the triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, again what is that, 1 by 2 of determinant of, then x1 y1. So x1 is A, this y1 is B plus C, then 1, x2 y2, B C plus A 1, C A plus B 1. Right, x1 y1, x2 y2 in that formula, x2 y2, x3 y3, then 1 1 1. This one. Fine. So this is your x1 y1, this is your x2 y2, This is your x3, y3. You can take that in any order. But if they say A, B, C, then take A as x1, y1, B as x2, y2, C as x3, y3. If they are not given anything, then any point can be taken as x1, y1, and x2, y2, and x3, y3. Now, we'll have to show that the value of this is 0. We'll show that the value of this is 0, which means we should show the value of this determinant is 0. Fine. Now, I will continue here. The continuation of this is here. Suppose, so area of the triangle is equal to triangle ABC equal to. Now, if you observe here, again to show that this is 0, we have to show that the determinant is 0. So, we can either expand the determinant normally, or we can use the properties of determinants and show that they are 0. The value of the determinant becomes 0. So, how do we do that? Now, if you observe this, if I add these two, column 2 as column 2 plus column 1, then this will become A plus B plus C. Again, if I add this and this, it will become A plus B plus C. If I add this and this, it will become A plus B plus C. Then the second column will have all the elements as A plus B plus C, and if A plus B plus C is taken out, it will become 1, 1, 1. So your column C2 will become 1, 1, 1, and column C3 is already 1, 1, 1. Therefore, you will see that the column C2 and C3 are identical. And by the property, if any two rows or columns are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. That is your third property, right? So here we'll apply the operation. C2 implies C2 plus C1. Then C1 no change. So I'll say half of C1. C1 is no change. A, B, C, and C2 is C2 plus C1. So B plus C plus A will give me A plus B plus C. Then C plus A plus B will give me A plus B plus C. Then A plus B plus C will give me A plus B plus C. The third column is 1, 1, 1. Now if you take 1 by 2 of A plus B plus C is common in all the elements in C2, which is column 2, so that can be taken out of the determinant. You will get ABC 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now that will become, if I continue here, now that will be equal to 1 by 2 of A plus B plus C into 0, because value of this determinant is 0, because C2 and C3 are identical. The column C2 and C3 are identical, which means all the columns, probably I think it's going out of this, so I will write the reason here, because C2 and C3 are identical, which means all the elements of C1 and C2 and C3, C2 and C3 are identical, because 1, 1, 1 is also 1, 1, 1. Therefore, this value will finally become 0. So, since the area of the triangle is 0, therefore the points are collinear. Therefore, points are collinear. Points are collinear. So, we have proved that the points ABC are collinear. Right? So, all of you can pause the video and take the notes. I will go to the third problem. So, third problem is find the value of K where the area of the triangle is 4 square units. So, area of the triangle is given, but the points are, we'll take the points as A of, the first problem I am doing, A of K comma 0, then B of 4 comma 0, then C of 0 comma 2. So, these are the 3 points, and area of the triangle is given by area of triangle ABC is given by 4 square units. 4 square units. Now we have to find the value of K. Right? The problem is to find the value of K. Now to find the value of K, what is the area of the triangle ABC formula? Half of determinant of x1, y1, which means K0, 1, then x2, y2, 4, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1. That is equal to, now the moment when we write this in terms of determinants, if the area is 4 means it will become plus or minus 4. It will become plus or minus 4, because we always tell the area as the absolute value. When we are equating the area to some number, this number can be positive or negative. So this has to be plus or minus 4. So now the 2 goes this side. So you'll get K0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1 equal to plus or minus 8. 4 will go here. It will become 8. Now if you try to expand the determinant, we can expand along C2 because it has maximum number of zeros. So we'll take only this one. So this is position is A 3 1 3 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 negative. So I should put minus, then this 2. Then I have to close this particular row and this particular column. I'll get k into 1 is k, minus 1 into 4 is 4, equal to plus or minus 8. Right? Now if this 2 goes here, it will become k minus 4 equal to plus or minus 8 by minus 2. That will become minus or plus 4. Plus or minus, if you divide by minus, so minus into minus, plus by minus is minus, minus by plus is minus. Minus by minus is plus. So plus or minus, when you divide by minus, it will become minus or plus 4. Fine. So which means your k minus 4 equal to minus or plus 4. Minus or plus 4 is same as plus or minus 4. That's not a problem. Fine. So we have to find the value of k. So now, which means now, so you will get your k can, so it will become k minus 4 is either minus 4 or k minus 4 equal to plus 4. That is the meaning of minus, plus or minus 4. So which means here you will k, this minus 4 will go here, it will become minus 4 plus 4, or k will be equal to 4 plus 4, which means k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 8. So the value of k is either 0 or 8. Right? And the answer is either k is 0 or k is 8. So k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 8. That's the final answer. Right? So all of you can pause the video and take the notes. And third problem, second subdivision, you can take it as homework. So third problem, second subdivision, the same way, do it yourself, or you call it as homework, whatever. So you do in the same way, you have to find the value of k in third problem, second subdivision. So we will go to the fourth one. Fourth one also I will do one of the problems. So I'll erase this probably. I think you are very familiar with the formula for area of the triangle using determinants. Right. So what we have next is fourth one, first part. So it says find the equation of the line joining the points 1, 2. Suppose if this is one point and this is another point, this is A of 1, 2. The other one is B of 3, 6. Now we have to find the value, we have to find the equation of the line using determinants. So we will take any point on the line. Suppose we can extend the line and take the point here also. We can even extend this line. See the line, a line is going, right? It's going like this. We have to find the equation of this line. So I can take a point C of x, y, be any point on the line. So we'll say let C of x, y be any point on the line AB, right? Now C be any point on the line AB. So since A, B and C are collinear points, therefore area of triangle ABC will be equal to 0 because the 3 points are collinear. When the 3 points are collinear, then the area of the triangle is 0. So what is the area of the triangle formula? Half of determinant of x1, y1, which is 1, 2, x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, is x2, y2, x3, y3, x3 is x, y3 is y, 1. That is equal to 0. So which means this 1 by 2 will go here, it will become 2, 0 into 2, that will become 0. So you will get determinant of 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, x, y, 1 equal to 0. Now we can expand through any row or any column. We will expand through row 1. So it will become 1 into this will get closed, this will get closed. 1 into 6 is 6 minus 1, y into 1 is y. Then minus this one 2, y minus because it is in the position A 1, 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, odd number means minus. Then this 2 into I'll close this particular row, this particular column. So 3 into 1, 3 minus x into 1 is x. Then plus 1 into the last one. So this will go. 3 into y is 3y minus 6 into x is 6x equal to 0. Right? To close these two, third, this one 3 into y, 3y minus 6x. Now to simplify this, you'll get 6 minus y. This will become minus 6 plus 2x plus 3y minus 6x equal to 0. Right? Now 6x minus 2x is minus 4x. Y plus 3y is 6 and minus 6 will get cancelled. So this will become 2y equal to 0. I can cancel throughout by 2 minus 2. Then it will become 2x minus y equal to 0. Or I can say y is equal to 2x. Or also it can be written as y is equal to 2x. So which is the y equal to 0 is the equation of the line. Is the equation of line AB. Is the equation of line AB. So that is the answer. Y is equal to 2x is the equation of the line AB. Y equal to. Fine. So all of you can pause the video and take the notes, and the second part is homework. Same way, you have to find the equation of the line AB where 2 points A and B are given. You have to take in the same way. This is your solution, right? So you can do it yourself, DIY, or it is called as homework, whatever. Fine. So I'll do the fifth problem in the exercise, which is the last problem in this exercise. So fifth one is, it's an MCQ, multiple choice. It says area of the triangle is 35 square units with the vertices are given. We have to find the value of k. So A is 2 comma minus 6, B is 5 comma 4, and C is k comma 4. We have to find the value of k. And area of ABC is given as area of triangle ABC is given as 35 square units. We have to find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. Now again, area of the triangle is 35 square units. What is the area of the triangle formula? Half of determinant of x1 y1. So 2 minus 6 1, 5 4 1, k 4 1. That is equal to 35 square units. If the area is given in 35, then you have to put determinant value will be plus or minus 35. But this is something that you have to be very careful. So then if this 2 goes this side, right, it will become plus or minus 70. You will get determinant of 2 minus 6 1, 5 4 1, k 4 1 equal to plus or minus 70. 2 goes to the other side. Now if you try to expand this, so what do we get? If we expand along row 1, so 2 into this will get closed, this will be closed. So 4 into 1 4, minus 4 into 1 4, then minus of this is minus 6 into, we'll close this row, this column, 5 into 1 5 minus k into 1 is k, plus 1 into this will get closed, this will get closed. 4 5s are 20, minus 4 into k is minus 4k equal to plus or minus 70. So this is 0. We get 6 into 5 is 30. Then 6 into minus k is minus 6k. This is 20 minus 4k equal to plus or minus 70. And this is 50 and this is 11k. So minus 10k. Minus 10k plus 50 equal to plus or minus 70. Right? So we can even cancel throughout by 10. So we cancel throughout by 10 because 10 is common. We can divide throughout by 10. So we'll get minus k plus 5 is equal to plus or minus 7. Right? I'm cancelling throughout by 10. So which means minus k plus 5 is equal to 7, or minus k plus 5 equal to minus 7. So this will give you your k is equal to, k will go here, so 5 minus 7, which means k is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 2, or This k will go here, it will come here, you will get k is equal to 7 plus 5, k is equal to 12. So your answer is either k is equal to minus 2 or k is equal to 12. Or. So your answer is k is equal to 12 or k is equal to minus 2. It is option D. So option D is the correct answer. Option D, the right answer. Fine. So all of you can pause the video and take the notes. I will stop the video here. You can watch my next video for the continuation of this. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next video. Thank you.